Steve, we've got a workshop coming up, and I want everyone to be there.
You can participate live in person on September 29th and 30th or virtually online in the live feed webinar. The workshop is called Achieving Excellent Culture, with the subtitle being Building Cultures of Unity that Celebrate Diversity. And we're going to have 2 guest speakers that are amazing, representing, from Toyota, leaders from Toyota that have lived this. If you don't know it, Toyota is one of the top companies in the world. They have an excellent culture. We've got data to prove that they do. And guess what? They're number 10 in the top 50 of Diversity Inc.
Toyota is built upon 2 pillars. If you don't know this, respect for people. From day one, when Mr. Toyota started our company, respect for people. Those are the 3 words. Second pillar is Kaizen. It's a Japanese word. It means continuous improvement.
Be there September 29th and 30th, either in person, North Dallas, Texas, or online at excellentcultures.com.